Good morning, students. Today I am explain about the social subject. It is one of the part of EVS. Already we'll complete the 3 lessons in social. Which are the 3 lessons? Modes of transport, communicating through letters, and my hobby. So these are 3 lessons are explained in previous class. Today I once again revise the lessons because in October 2nd week or 3rd week the first test will be conducted. Understood? So what do you learn in the lesson mode of transport? What do you learn? So in this lesson I am already explained about what is the meaning of transport. What is the meaning of transport? Do you know? Transport means carrying person or goods from one place to another place. So this is called transport. So we cannot go everywhere on foot, no? So can some convince to go from one place to another place? Some people's using bicycles, aeroplanes, and some people's used to train, or some people use travel by boat or ship. So all these are called means of transport. So in ancient time, how did the people move from one place to another place? They traveled on foot, no? So after the discovery of wheel, they used to vehicles. The wheel is very important invention in the human history. Today all means of transport use wheels to move. Today all means of transport use wheels to move. So there are 3 types of transport. Which are the 3 types of transport? Land transport, air transport, and water transport. These transports are not only used for move from one place to another place, but also they use for goods move from one place to another place. Without means of transport, the life will be very difficult. Understood? Our life become very difficult. So the means of transport is very important in our daily life. They take us to our place work. They help us to reach school. They help us to visit our friends or relatives. They help us to carry things. They are used for exercise. Some vehicles are used for race and adventurous. Understood? So the transports are very important nowadays. Now, children, in your textbook, lesson number 14, modes of transport. There is a one poem is given. They started the lesson with one poem. So sing and enjoy. Picnic, picnic by bus along with my friends. Variety of vehicles moving on the road. horse cart and bullock cart, cycle and motorbike, auto rickshaw and car. So many vehicles gone on the road. Train on the rail, boat on the water, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. Some are moving slow, some are moving fast. Different modes of transport. I like them very much. Understood? Observe this poem. What are the vehicles are mentioned in this poem? Do you know? There are so many vehicles mentioned here. Bus, horse cart, bullock cart, cycle, motorbike, auto rickshaw, car, train, boat, aeroplane. Understood? These are all the important vehicles used by man. So already I told there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Which are the important vehicles mentioned in this poem? The vehicles are move on road or land. Which are the important vehicles? Move on road or land? Bus, no. Horse cart, bullock cart, cycle, motorbike, auto rickshaw, car. These are all the example for land transport. And also train. It is also one of the example for land transport, but they move on rail. And boat. Boat also mentioned in this poem. Boat is the example for water transport. Aeroplane is the example for air transport. And also in this poem they explain in some vehicles are moving slow, some vehicles are fast. There are different modes of transport. Horse cart, bullock cart. No, these are all the slow moving vehicles. And boat. Aeroplane is the fast moving vehicle. So nowadays what happened? The vehicles are very important. What is land transport? Land transport consists of vehicles move on road or rail. And also the cart pulled by the animals and bulls and horses. Tanga, cart mainly used in villages. Bus, car, rickshaw are also driven by a man. These vehicles are nowadays they are common in all over the world. Train also used for long distance. In big cities, the buses are run by what? In some big cities, the local buses are run by the CNG gases. Bicycles, it was by good way to travel from short distance. People ride the bicycles, but they have not engine. It is also used for exercise. Car is one of the most important vehicle nowadays. It is also driven by the engine. Motor car, motor can carry two people. It can be driven by an engine. Bus, what is the difference between bus and car? We can also in motorcycle or vehicle and car, there are few peoples they carry him, but in bus there are travel many people can travel in bus together. It is also driven by the engine. The bus stop at bus stop. Train, it is also one of the example for land transport, but it is a run on track. Train can carry peoples and also carry the passenger. They are the train that carry goods and they are called goods train, and they carry the people, they are called passenger train. The engine of the train run by coal or diesel or electric. The board of train at railway station. Another one is air transport. It consists of vehicles which move in the air. Rocket, helicopter, airboat, air balloon. These are all the example for air transport. It is the fastest and costliest means of transport. People can go to other country in few hours. Air transport is popular because it saves the time, but it is costly. It is also fastest means of transport. It also carry the passengers. It was driven by pilot. So next one is water transport. That means the transport sail on water. The boat, ferries, submarines are the example for water transport. Ship, boat. They halt at harbors. This means of transport used since in ancient time. It is the slowest means of transport. They also carry the huge quantity of goods. Fish, sailboat, speedboat. There are so many types of boats. The submarines, they are travel under the sea. So these are all the examples of water transport. So I think all of you understand about this lesson. Next I explain about what you write in the classwork. What are the important means you write in classwork? Once again I explain the classwork. I think all of you complete the classwork, no? All of you open your classwork. First main. What is the name of the lesson? Modes of transport. All of you open your classwork and look at see the classwork. I read all the mains. First one, keywords. Keywords means hard words, which are the important words used in this lesson. First you learn all the keywords clearly, then you easily understand about the lesson and easily learn the question and answers. So you learn all the words with letters. You spell all the letters. Understood? Water. First one is, there are 10 keywords are there. Water transport. Water spelling. Spell the word. W-A-T-E-R, water. Transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Water transport. Second one, air transport. A-I-R, air. Transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Third one, land transport. L-A-N-D, land. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Motorbike. M-O-T-O-R-B-I-K-E. Motorbike. Train. T-R-A-I-N, train. B-O-A-T, boat. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Bullock cart. B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock cart. C-A-R-T, cart. 10th one, cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Understood? How many words? There are 10 keywords. Water transport, air transport, land transport, motorbike, train, boat, aeroplane, camel, bullock cart and cycle. Understood? You learn all these words with spelling. It is easy to learn the lesson. Second one is fill in the blanks. I read the sentence, you follow me. First one, dash runs on the rail. Which vehicle runs on the rail? What is the answer? Train. Train. We fill up the word train. Understood? Train runs on the road. Second one, boat is an water transport. Boat is an dash transport. Boat is an dash transport. Water transport. Water. Water. Next, aeroplane is an dash transport. Air transport. AIR. Air. Dash is an land transport. Car. 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 There are dash types of transport. How many types of transport? 3. THREE. 3. Understood? Once again I read all the sentence. Listen. Train runs on the rail. Boat is an water transport. Aeroplane is an air transport. Car is an land transport. There are 3 types of transport. Understood? Next main. Write true or false. So, children, there are some sentences are given. In this sentence, some are correct, true, some are false sentence. You identify which sentence is true and which sentence are false. Understood? First one, heavy goods are transported by ship. That is correct, no? Heavy goods are, the huge quantity of goods are transported by ships. That is true. You write T. Goods are loaded and unloaded at ports. That is also true. Goods are loaded and unloaded at ports. Third one, helicopter is an example of land transport. That is wrong, false. Helicopter is an example for air transport. Understood? So, fourth one, the camel is called the ship of desert. That is true. Camel, where you find the camel? In desert, no? So, it is the ship of desert. Once again, I read all the sentence. Listen me. Heavy goods are transported by ship. True. Goods are loaded and unloaded at ports. True. Helicopter is an example of land transport. False. The camel is called a ship of desert. It is also true. Next main what? Match the following. So student, there are 2 columns are given, A and B. In A there are 5 words are given. In B also they 5 words. Match the words which is suitable to the next word. A, there are 5 words are given in column A. That which word are suitable in column B? You recognize the words. Understood? Train. Train. Train station. Ship, seaport. Aeroplane, airport. Bus, stand. Helicopter, helipad. Understood? Train station. Ship, seaport. Aeroplane, airport. Bus, stand. Helicopter, helipad. Understood? Next, last one is answer the following question and answers. Next main is answer the following. Children, I read the question and answers. All of you open the classwork and look at the book. What is transport? Transport means to take or carry person or goods from one place to another place. What is the answer? What is transport? Transport means to take or carry person or goods from one place to another place. Understood? This is called transport. Second one. Name the 3 modes of transport. Name the 3 modes of transport. Land transport, water transport, air transport, These are the three modes of transport. Which are the three modes of transport? Land transport, water transport, air transport. These are the three modes of transport. Name 5 means of road transport. Car, bus, truck, scooter and bike are the 5 means of road transport. Once again, I read the answer. Car, bus, truck, scooter, bike are 5 means of road transport. Understood? Next. Which is the fastest mode of transport? An aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Which is the fastest mode of transport? An aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Name the example of water transport. Ship and boat. Which are the example for water transport? Ship and boat. Understood? I think give the 2 examples of each. Land transport. Give the 2 examples for land transport. Car or bus. Car, bus. Water transport, ship, boat. Air transport, aeroplane or helicopter. These are all the important question answers you learn in this lesson. Once again, I revise. Once again answer the following. What is transport? Transport means to take or carry person or goods from one place to another place. Name the 3 modes of transport. Land transport, water transport, air transport. Name the 5 means of road transport. Car, bus, truck, scooter and bike are the 5 means of road transport. Which is the fastest mode of transport? An aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Name the example of water transport. Ship and boat. Give 2 examples of each. Land transport, car, bus. Water transport, ship, boat. Air transport, aeroplane and helicopter. So, I think all of you understand about the all means in mode of transport. It is easy to learn. No. Those who are listen all these means, they are easy to learn all the means. So, children, you read 3 or 4 times first and practice in rough note. Then you close the classwork and write the question answer. That is easy to write in test. Understood? I think all of you understand about this lesson. Till now, take care, safe, to be safe. Goodbye. Thank you.